It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's a nice looking dump truck for sure. Now you bring that bed down whenever you're ready to clean the sides, right?
Okay.
He even had it unstrapped for you.
This to just soften things up a bit. Some of it, maybe.
I think we're going to call this video an educational video. This is how you're really supposed to wash.
Oh, not to get involved in washing a dump truck.
Well, you know, some people, they wash their dump truck or truck and they think it's just the body. It's nothing else that needs taken care of. Actually got you doing the frame and stuff.
Randy's picky, and I guess I am. I know I am, so. On some things, not everything, but.
You probably normally go home and take a shower when you're done. Because you know, you know.
It depends on what I'm going to do.
Next,
Or
yeah.
if I,
Gonna mow or something?
if it's windy and that acid starts spraying on me.
Gotta watch your eyes on that.
Oh, yeah. Other side.
Need your bucket? Okay. Where you want it?
Right there's good. Thank you.
There you go. Save you a trip anyway. He may have a lot of stuff, but he's still organized.
Mm-hmm.
yes, sir. I would like some.
That would be great right now.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you.
It's just gonna get dirty, you know.
Me too. Oh, God
Uh-oh.
damn it.
Did it break or just come unscrewed?
No, it broke.
Yeah, but there's another hole, ain't there?
No, but it's
Oh,
that
the
the
broke?
threaded part come later.
Oh, I think I got another one of them or not.
that doesn't stop him though.
Yeah.
Oh, what you expect? You put mileage on a brush?
You need that for the, like the hood and reaching up.
He thinks he's got another one. All right, bug, get out of here. Oh, I'm not laughing because I guess even in a worse job you have breakdowns. That's funny if you think about it. Hey, I think you got that wheel better without that handle. Shut up, Jukebox. Okay.
Try this one.
There you go, buddy.
See how long that lasts.
Well, it's metal anyway.
Uh-oh. Now you gotta get that out of there. Boy, I hate to give you my good broom for my white truck.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't do that.
You got a drill or something, you might be able to drill that out.
Yeah.
Well, that's just for the wedge on the other side.
Well, he's got another one for a different vehicle?
For his personal truck, but
Oh,
yeah, I wouldn't use that one. Not on this.
he may have to go buy another one and just say, you know what? Scotty's not 6'8", and he can't reach my hood without it.
Yeah, now I wish I would have gotten the hood a little bit ago. I was thinking of it, and I'll wait until the end here. Damn it.
Hmm. Good worker always has good water. Oh yeah, he's a good boss. He supplies water.
Yeah, yeah, he's done some work for him.
Yeah. You know what that is, don't you? That's the air tank.
There, yeah.
Yeah.
Water break.
Might as well. You need a brush.
Can do. Save some time.
The wheels. Oh.
I think the sprayer's broke.
Ah,
So once you start pumping,
you just got to start
you
spraying.
gotta start going.
Oh, that's a workout.
It'll last for a little bit, but you want to go kind of quick with this so it don't dry. And
Right.
I use the pressure washer with the heater, so you got to go quick. 'Cause you can't just turn that on and off.
Right.
You got to let it cool.
That was aluminum.
You got you taken care of, buddy.
That one was?
Yeah, I can throw it out. Got the new stuff or the other stuff?
This is still the from that last jug that finished it off. I think it did. Yeah, I had the jug sitting on the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's just a daub left in the other one, and I picked up a new one and then an asphalt.
Randy, that's.
I'm Larry.
Hi.
I'm a truck driver too. I got a truck in his driveway. He was telling me a little bit of history about you, and how you knew his dad and everything.
Yeah, that's. God knows how I met his dad.
Wasn't it plowing?
It was plowing all right.
I guess I don't remember it totally, but I know you met. I don't know if he was out plowing too, or.
He was out plowing.
How do I get it so it's me?
You don't want to see you or her?
No, it's parts here. It's German.
Oh. 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 Look at. Oh, it's all right.
We are having a small bonfire, and our fire is going out, kinda. But we are having a fire.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It was pretty
Keep her
big.
in line for me. I know, but she needs somebody to keep her in line, so you
know
do that
why?
for me.
I stretched that whole cord out like I did. Now when I roll it up, I can roll it up right. See, that's the first time I think I unstretched. Because even from the Honda to inside the trailer, I don't unstretch the whole thing. It's long enough.
Alrighty then.
Of course, it's a long, but I figured just for a laptop, that's enough power.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Where you going, Panda? Where you going, girl?
Cool.
Now tell me,
It was nice meeting you.
does that charge up while you're playing it?
Yep.
Well, that's good.
Thank you.
It's not very loud, though. I wish I had my external
All right.
speaker with it.
Yeah.
Love you too. Bye-bye.
Well, that was good.
Well, she's so good to them people. She works with a guy with Alzheimer's.
Oh,
Same thing, I guess.
I feel bad now. I wish I wouldn't have said that.
Well, the reason I didn't want you to say it is because he's a minister.
Oh. We get a chance. Will you tell her I'm sorry?
He'll never remember. If she don't swear in front of him, it's a miracle. Let's just put it that way. She
got a
swears
mouth.
worse than a sailor.
I've been wanting to say that ever since I could, you know. Hey, zebra. Because she's the one that brought up that, you know.
Come here, baby. Come here.
I was
Now,
surprised.
see, I'm doing the stuff that I say I don't like it when people do.
Yeah.
Oh, what's...
You hypocrite.
I hate to tell you, but we got to go bail them out.
Bill, who
Don't
out?
let him stay there.
Who we billing out? Oh, it's none of my business. What the hell? You crazy
Like,
dog.
sober days are never to none.
This Elwood, he, I don't know how the hell he can drive, but he's so freaking drunk. You know? He was so drunk when he was on the boat there. I thought he was going to fall over.
Ow!
That's not good.
What happened?
Hair stuck in my glasses.
Have a chip. Have a chip. Oh, these are
You
good.
want to take Anya over by you?
Why?
Because
She looks very content.
the smoke keeps coming over here.
I love rabbits. I love rabbits. I love rabbits. Go that way.
It's hitting me a little too, but I'm tolerating it because it's also keeping the bugs off me.
Yeah, they could be starting a little thicker, usually in the evening.
With the smoke though, they won't fly
Yeah,
through
with
it.
the smoke they won't.
There's got a whole wolf of that.
Looky there. They're trying to get somebody's attention. Damn it.
Isn't he just tiny? Well, I guess Darla's probably that little too.
Say my name and I jump up here.
Come on.
Say,
Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake. Come on, Jake.
come on, Jake.
You can do it!
See, I don't know about that guy.
Jake. Come on, baby.
Says that guy's kind of wild.
Come on, baby. Come on, Jake.
Panda, just think tomorrow you'll look like Jake.
Look at his
Oh.
haircut.
Hey,
Yeah.
hi me, hi me, hi me.
Has she ever had a haircut before?
Once.
Once?
This will be the second one. And I'm going to promise they'll never go shaggy again. Because I found out I can go to any Pet Mart.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get my truck in there. They all take deliveries.
Now he likes you because you have a chip in your hand.
Oh, yeah. You can probably even get him on your lap now.
Mm-hmm.
But if you notice, and I think Scotty and Lisa might, he's not a very much of a jumper. He doesn't jump that much in the truck. He got to jump over in the other seat and jump over on me.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, look at that. Oh, lovely baby.
Now Panda's the jumper. Panda looks like she towers over Jake.
I like in the
Because-
videos
Who's the
she
boss?
sits up in the chair in the
Yep.
seat there and looks out.
Yep.
That's cool.
Is Panda the boss over Jake?
She thinks. And I think sometimes she might be.
Mm-hmm.
She stands up in the passenger seat, David,
Yeah.
on her back feet and leans back on the chair and watches out the window. On her back feet with her front feet.
Yeah.
I'll be darned. What does Jake do?
Nothing. He's just mainly he's just a hound dog.
Come on. Come on, Jake.
See, he likes
Uh-oh.
Oh. Look,
God.
look it.
What?
Who's that, baby?
Oh no.
What is he
It's
doing?
okay, Anya.
His dad got that other baby.
You can sit over here too.
Oh.
That's what Raker does when her mom picks up Anya.
Oh, she
Raker's
gets
like, "Put her down.
jealous as
Put her
hell.
down."
Oh.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
He's at that stage kind of where
Hey, your fire went out.
I got
No
I
clue.
got nothing.
Huh?
They're too big.
Oh,
Those are just barely going now.
well, that was fun.
Well, I said I didn't have a whole lot, but
Well, it's starting to get chilly. So
But it was
something.
fun. It was
yeah,
fun.
it was.
No matter how you look at it.
It's still burning.
I'm not
Yeah,
going
it
to go
is
chop down a
underneath
tree.
there.
Just
It's still burning underneath.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Why not? All you gotta do is just chop it down 8
If I
hours
was
from
to
now.
chop any, I'd chop 1, 2, 3, 4,
Well, we only need one tree though.
4 of them right there. I'd get rid of them and there's
Would
a
you?
mosquito
Yeah.
bite.
Oh.
Bastard.
Don't say that or I'll go in.
Mm.
What do you think of this, Anya?
But so far, I'm not getting bit by anything right
Oh,
now.
that was my first one, right on the finger.
I didn't get nothing.
Hey, have you seen me since we had to go back to the emergency room?
Oh my God.
Still got a video to watch
What's that from?
before we go to bed. I don't have very good internet, so I'm kind of
June
hoping you'll watch.
24th, I went to the
At least.
daycare
I don't care
because
about the
my eye was
mothers. I
all
mean,
red
that's
and
just,
swollen
not
up
that
and
I
had
don't, you know
bruises
what I
all
mean.
over this side of my
No,
head.
I'd
They
watch
thought I
yours.
had shingles.
Uh-huh.
Q Care
And you know which one it
urgent
is.
care sent me to the
Oh,
emergency
yeah.
room. They couldn't
I
figure
did
it
so
out.
much
Well,
chopping.
This is about
So then I
almost
went
done.
Yeah.
back to my room